So this is a question of CAT 2021 slot 1. You need to make a group which contains at least three items. A number of groups of three or more three distinct numbers that can be chosen from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, so that the groups always include 3 and 5. Okay, you want to make a subset? It should include 3 and 5 always. So I'll have to choose 3 and 5 always. Now, what are the rest of the numbers? They are 1, 2, 4, 6, 7, and 8. I'm still left with these six numbers. They can be a part of group or they may or may not be a part of group. Fine. So how many possibilities are there for the remaining six numbers? I've already included 3 and 5. Now let's talk about 1. This may or may not be a part of a group. So it can be selected or rejected in how many ways? Two ways. Similarly, this 2 can be selected or rejected. So for every other number, there'll be two possibilities. So these numbers will be selected or rejected in two ways. The product of these numbers will give you 2 to the power 6. That means I can select or reject the remaining six numbers in 64 ways. That's why 64 such groups can be formed here. Fine. But you'll have to eliminate some possibilities here. How many times it will happen that all these six numbers will be rejected? It will occur only once. And if you're going to reject all these six numbers, that means your group will have only two numbers, 3 and 5. But your group should contain at least three. So it will happen how many times? Only once you must have rejected all these six numbers. So the group will be left with only two numbers. So I'll have to eliminate that one possibility. So finally, we'll be left with how many groups? 63. Now, you need to ensure that 7 and 8 are never included. So obviously, in these 63 cases, there might be some cases where 7 and 8 both are also included. Let's try to find out the cases when a group will have 5, 3, 7, and 8 both. Now you've already selected these four numbers. Still, you're left with how many more? Four more digits. They are 1, 2, 4, then we have 6. These are the four digits. So if you've already selected 5, 3, 7, and 8, and you're left with these four digits, again, I can say that these four digits can be selected or rejected in how many ways? Let's say 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That gives you 16. That means 16 times it will happen that you'll select 7 and 8 both. And this is not allowed here. So what should be the answer? Total possible cases were 63. And out of that, 16 times we must have selected 7 and 8 together, which is not allowed. So let's subtract it. 63 minus 16 will give you how much? 47. So the correct answer for this question becomes 47.